Ah, that's how you record a video. Little thing on the left. Okay. What does that do? What the fuck? Oh, I guess I'm snapping a picture in the middle of the video. Okay. At least that works as expected. But it's not focused. How do I make it freaking focus here? What's the gesture for that? Oh, I think I did it somehow. Now I want to focus on that. Come on, camera. Focus on the VCR. Focus on the VCR. God damn it. Alright. And now if I go back, are you going to stay focused on it? It looks like it. Is the focus zoom based? It appears to be. My existence in reality is completely foreign to me. The only place I feel comfortable is in the virtual realm. So to escape from reality, I occasionally do things that some people would say are bad. Like spend way too much time in cyberspace? But this is what's going on in my place tonight. People don't even talk about that anymore. About spending too much time on your phone, on your game console, on your computer. Like, I don't even hear about that on the news anymore. It's funny. Alright. Call me crazy. But I think maybe with this AICP Ice Cold Project ROM, my camera might not crash. I'm gonna see how long of a video I can actually record before this fucking thing crashes. And I don't think it's going to. I don't know. I have a weird hunch that it's not gonna crash. So this thing on. It's kind of weird, guys. It's like no audio. Hey, is it just me, or does that fat lesbian with the glasses look a lot like Zapia Granger? That's fucked up, Jay. Yeah. Funny. I'm clever. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not really clever. That's I've heard that one too many times. I would have expected the camera to crash already. We're almost at 3 minutes. That was such a 90s looking hairdo, don't you think? Totally. It's like kind of almost like preppy. Going from like preppy to freaky. What do you think of that virtual reality rant? That's like all I had. My reality is completely foreign to me. Reality. So I escape to the virtual realm. So I spend my time in the virtual realm. That was some deep, profound shit, Cyberboy. Well, so what can I say? I guess since there's no audio here, I'm not keeping you from anything. So how about some context? Would that be good? No way. Let's see. This is like what the late. I don't want to hear anything about context. My life sucks, and it always has, and I don't want to think about that. That was a pretty easy procedure. Went from experience to AICP just like that. Pretty stinking easy. Oh, that always makes me laugh. The look on that guy's face. Mr. Right. You know, that's the way women used to talk back in the 90s. They'd talk about Mr. Right and Mr. Wrong. Who's going to be Mr. Right? Because all I've been meeting is Mr. Wrong. It was so stupid. Like, as if there's even such a thing. Like, give me a fucking break. It's all about context and situation. Like, you can take Mr. Wrong there, put him in the right situation. Like, how about if a typical 90s gal was getting mugged? I'll bet she'd like to see somebody with a shotgun real fucking quick, huh? Make that mugger run away. All of a sudden, he's looking more like Mr. Right. Ooh, he's so dreamy with his shotgun to protect me from all these ne'er-do-wells. Or something. I don't know. Yeah, I was born at a good time period, I think, because everything, when I look back on my youth, it seems like everything is so infantile in childhood. All of the viewpoints, all of the technology, all the lifestyles. Everything is so infantile compared to today's times. Like, people have so much more understanding and awareness. Like, more than I do. Like, if I even tried to keep up with, like, all the shit that's going down right now, like, I'd be exhausted. But it's still, like, good that everybody else is keeping up. It's almost like I have more faith in, like, other people than I do myself these days, which is very different from most of my life. Yeah. Anyway, for whatever that's worth. Yeah. 7 minutes. Fuck. That's really good. I think I may have solved my problem. I'm jinxing myself already. I should just let this thing run until it fills up the hard drive. That'd be badass. It's got like 100 gigs. Probably do that in an hour. If this thing could record for an hour, I could get back to my goddamn movie. The resolution on this thing is so high, it's like 2,100 and something by like 1,100 something. Like, it's really the best camera I own. It only makes sense to use it to make a movie. Like, you know, the dystopian lovesick blues. Yep. Oh, battery's running low. Crap. 9 minutes. Fuck yes. I'm on. Oh yeah, got the wireless debugging. What? You know, I probably need to accept the RSA handshake first. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Son of a... Oh, we're in. Okay. Skin thermo monitor. Yeah, you're hot. We know. No, I'm not taking you out of your fucking protected case. Every time I do that, I almost break the fucking thing. I'd rather melt it than break it. Well, I like this AIC ice cold ROM already because my logcat isn't scrolling like a million miles per hour. That kind of bothers me when I see that. It's like, what's with all the errors? What the hell? Like Google's very own distribution, the AOSP, is like scrolling off the logcat with so many errors. And I realize a lot of them are permissions based, but if they got the wrong permissions, how about distributing them with the right permissions? I don't know. All right, can we do the wireless now, please? Maybe it's not on 5555. That could be. I don't know. It should be, but maybe they're using a different port to just like Gee, I don't know. Be secure? I don't know. uh, no, no, no. Try a little harder than that. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Really? Well, what the hell? I don't care. As long as the phone doesn't crash, I've fixed the problem. You know what? Fuck it. I fixed the problem. I'm awesome.